If you're looking for a way to use font awesome icons in your desktop projects, our ligature-based OpenType fonts are a great solution. Before you start, make sure you've downloaded the font files from your kit and set up Font Awesome in your project. If you haven't done so, check out our previous screencast on downloading kits. When working in desktop applications like Adobe Illustrator, Figma, and Sketch, the essential steps are the same. For this screencast, we'll be using Figma. In the application you've chosen to use, create a new layer or text block to insert text into. Next, using your app's font typeface selector, find and select the Font Awesome icon family you want to use. For simplicity, we'll select Font Awesome 7 Pro. You're all set. Just start typing the icon's name, and as you finish, our ligatures should convert the letters into the correct symbol. Font Awesome comes in several styles, depending on the typeface you're using. You can change the weight of your text layer to switch between the different icon styles. You can easily add DuoTone icons into your designs using ligatures with just a couple more steps. For this, you'll need to create two separate text layers with the font set to your desired DuoTone style. To set the primary DuoTone layer, type the icon name and then one hash mark. Do the same with the secondary DuoTone layer, but this time add an additional hash mark. Adjust the color and opacity of each layer as you like, and align both text layers to create your DuoTone icon. See, that was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.